Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the fish giving event in Fish. So I haven't gotten everything, but I'll show you guys like how you can do it and stuff. So basically, you'll need to go to Meadow, and then you are going to visit there's 9 NPCs. Wait, never mind. There's 12 NPCs. I don't know why I said 9. There's 12. And basically, you will need to give them the turkey that they need as well as the fish that they need. So far I only have the Carver Caleb one. So I'm just going to talk to him. It says, I need an umbral shark to carve eerie maple meadow totems. Can you obtain one? I'll bring that umbral shark. Okay, so I already have that. I will put everything that they need in the description box down below and where you can fish for it. You can fish for turkey basically in Maple Meadow, but you can fish it like specifically in other places. But you need like the autumn weather, or you'll need to fish on actual Thanksgiving. So here I'm just going to give Carver Caleb the umbrella shark. Here you go. And as you can see, bring me a slate turkey so I can inlay its feathers into the carvings. I'll keep chasing it. And I already have it, so I'm going to get out my turkey here and give it to Caleb. Turkey incoming. And I have this from Carver Caleb. And that's pretty much it really. Again, I will put all of the turkey and fish needed and where you can fish for it in the description box down below. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, I'll leave it in the if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.